Alright, we are going to look at this question using quadratic formula. And quadratic formula states negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divide 2a. So this is quadratic formula. But before we can solve this, we need to identify what is a, what is b, what is c from this equation. Alright, you all know that the first, for writing quadratic, general form of quadratic equation is always a square a square plus bx plus c. Alright, the coefficient of ax square is a, coefficient of x is b, coefficient of c, which is constant, is always c. This one is constant, there is no coefficient, it's just constant c. Alright, now from this equation we have up here, what do you think x squared, the coefficient of x squared will be? Since there is no number here written, it always assume it is 1x squared. So the value of a equals to 1. From this equation here, the value of b equals to 4. And the value of c here equals to, value of c equals to 3. So in this situation, since we have identified our coefficients, the numbers beside the x and also the 3 also, which is the c, we can now fix it inside this formula. So we all know that you can write that down. Now you can write it down. So we have negative b stands for 4 plus or minus square root of b square is 4 square minus 4 multiply what is value of a, which is 1, and the value of c, which is 3, all divide 2 multiply what is value of a, 1. Okay, a equals to 1. Now the next thing is to simplify everything inside this place. I know some of you will want to rush it and press calculator, but sometimes you have to be very careful when you're pressing your calculator. So you are going to press this equals to negative 4 plus or minus square root. What is 4 square, which is 16, minus 4 multiply 1 is 4, 4 multiply 3 is 12. So we have 12 over 2 multiply 1, which equals to 2. So from here we have negative 4 plus or minus 16 minus 12 is 4. And square root of 4 equals to 2. 16 minus 12 is 4. Square root of 4 equals to 2. Divide 2. So what do we do next? We're going to clean. I'm going to clean up here with the formulas. So I have negative. I'm going to split this because it's plus or negative. So I'm going to write it like this. Negative 4 plus 2 all divide 2. Negative 4 plus 2 divide 2. And I'm also going to write negative 4 minus 2 divide 2. Or negative 4 minus 2 all divide 2. Okay, so you can see that. So we are going to have solution here. Negative 4 plus 2, yes, that is negative 2. Divide 2 give us negative 1. Or negative 2 divide negative 4 negative 2 is negative 6. Divide 2 give us negative 3. Alright, so this is the solution using quadratic formula. So let's have this example also. Let's have x squared plus 6x plus 5. Okay, using quadratic formula, which says negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divide 2a. First thing, like I said, identify your a, the value of a from the coefficient of x squared. Identify your a, which gives you 1. Identify your b, which is 6. Identify your c, which equals to 5. So go ahead and fix these values inside the quadratic formula. Press your calculator accurately and get the value of your x and y. Okay, your final answer will always give you, your final answer to this calculation will give you negative 1 or negative 5. Try it, you see that is what you will get. Thank you so much.